Guys, in the last video I told you that Git is a must-have skill, but there is a true that 80% fresher install the Git in the wrong way and get rejected in the code reviews. Today, we will install the Git in the correct way to do one command which every company will check first. Let's do it together. Open Google search, type git-scm.com. Click on the first link, Git SCM. Install Git for Windows. And I'll click my configuration x64 setup and which downloads the software. As I already downloaded the software, clicking on this one. Once you click on this open a new window and click on next. Select additional icons and add GitHub as a Windows terminal. Next. Most probably you can select by default options and no need to worry about the configurations. And next. And important part is that select the second option, Git from the command file line and also from the third party software. And next. Most of the things are default options. I'm selecting the default one and installing software. Now click on finish. Yeah, if you're seeing this window, then you're good. Now open Windows plus R, which open and type CMD, which opens the command prompt. Here, 99% of the students will fail to configure, and companies notice it immediately. We have to tell Git who are you. Every line of code you write will be signed with you and your name and your email address. Then type these two commands. Type git config -- global user dot name git config -- global user dot email and the mail address. Tarun, I will give my alternate mail ID or any of the mail ID. It's like 1995@gmail.com. So why this is super important? And in companies, every commit as an author. If you commit shows the author as a default or unknown user or the blank, it automatically triggers a red flag in the code review. Many freshers loses the opportunity here itself. So to verify and fully configure or not, we type git config -- global - list. It shows your mail ID and username and where it is configured properly. And this is how we configure or install the software in our laptop. You have successfully installed the engine. The next video, you will be creating your very first Git repository and make your first commit. If you completed the setup, comment Git install below. If you got any errors, comment the error message. I will help you. Subscribe to my channel. We'll change your placement game in 2026. See you in the next video.